We turn to the story now. Fierce winds and heavy downpours have battered the Western Cape, leaving a trail of destruction and claiming a life in the wake. 47-year-old Alfons Kakwata, security guard from Paarl, tragically lost his life on Sunday morning when a tree collapsed on him while he was at work. Newzroom Afrika reporter Nasiphi Same has the details.
As inclement weather continues to lash the Western Cape, authorities have confirmed the death of one person. Alfons Kakwata succumbed to his injuries in a tragic accident fueled by the relentless winds of Sunday morning.
The wind, because as I was calling him 2:08, is the 6:30 is the time the neighbors didn't break our window, and the other house, the whole roof was off. And then I phone him. I tell him what happened here at home. He say he's also very busy at work. We're gonna talk tonight. It was my last time to talk to him. And that time the wind was very strong. It's not nice to know that your relative go out to work and you expect him to come back in the afternoon, and then you receive this kind of news. It's shocking. The time they come to inform me, I was one to go there to see myself. It is my husband lying there, but they tell me that it's not a good sight to see.
The harsh weather has left a trail of destruction impacting both formal homes and informal settlements. Roofs were torn off, homes were blown away, trees uprooted and roads closed, leaving residents stranded and communities in disarray.
It was 2021 uqala kwayo lento. Abantu bathi bengaphakathi bazimke izindlu, abantu bashiyeke bephandle. Kubhlungu kuphi umuntu asekhaya akukho mnandi, and siyazi bana xa kuzobusika uyazi bana wena imeko iza kubeka phi na nawe uyayibona lanto.
In parts of Rwandle and Nomzamo, residents were plunged into darkness from Sunday evening after about 3 transformers gave in due to the weather, exacerbating an already dire situation.
So I was safe at all. Particular gap yala moya bebenokwazi ukuqabela nokuselelini okokubana kuthulwe lana ke lazinki then ndiqhawukelwe ngumbane ke ngokuluza endlini. Then nansi cable ilapha phansi.
Humanitarian aid organizations have stepped in to provide assistance to hundreds of affected residents, but community leaders are calling for permanent solutions from government.
So the only solution now, intervention, provide material. People must get material so that they can rebuild their structures. But the permanent solution of this matter is to build houses for our people. There's no other solution here. Because every single year when you come to winter, our people are suffering the same cause.
Meanwhile, schools in the Cape Winelands and Overberg regions remained closed as authorities assess the damage and work to ensure the safety of students and staff. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nasiphi Same in the Western Cape.